Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a repair report for Glenn in Mississippi on this Powerbase 400. Just a little two-pill, not sure why they call it a 400, but we replaced both the transistors. It had one Toshiba in it blown, and the other was a knockoff Chinese Toshiba, and it was obviously bad. So let's get right to it. Show you input. Put about a 2-watt carrier into it. I'll go ahead and show you reflect. Hello. Hello, 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 hello. Just about a 1/4 of a watt of input tune reflect. 500 watt slug on low power. Right there's about a 30 watt key, average power. Low, about 80 bird. Flip it to high. There's about a 70 watt carrier. Low, about 110 bird. 500 watt slug. Low, at 330 peak. Now you can hit this with something like a Striker or something if you want to. It's got two 2879s in it. Or you can just cruise it like this for a little driver. Hey, I hope you enjoy it there, Mr. Glenn, from your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.